iPECS Audio Conference Bridge, otherwise known as ACB, can be found via a URL on web browser and is a good tool to use for conference calls if you are looking for extra features whilst on an audio call. To log in, navigate to the ACB portal and use your user credentials. These are the same login details used for your UCE client and cloud portal. Once you log in, you'll be presented with the home screen. To book a new conference call, click on Booking New on the left of the screen. Give the booking a title and then select a conference room. In this example, there is only one room size available of up to 8 parties. However, 25 party and 100 party conference rooms are also available. Next, select the bridge which is yours. You may only be able to see one bridge with your login, or there may be multiple bridges that you can use on a call. If you wish to set up the call instantly, then press Next. However, if you wish to schedule the call, press the plus symbol next to conference time and select the date and time required. The area in dark grey is in the past. To select a time, click on the time blocks that you would like to call to go ahead. To set your conference options, click on the plus symbol alongside the options drop-down. Here you can choose a PIN for the conference admin and a different PIN for users entering the conference. For the extra functionality of muting participants and blocking participants' audio, you can then choose if a participant needs to announce their name when entering a call by selecting either on or off. Press Submit to book the call. You will see a summary of the booking details. Press OK to confirm. Your call details will then be listed, along with the conference dial and numbers. To view all scheduled conferences, click on the Conferences menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you can see all future calls listed. To send the details of a particular call to participants, click on the message icon on the right of the call window. This will open an email with your email client with the call details ready to send to participants.